Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. My name is Teresa, and it's MaryMaxim Monday. This kit includes 6 skeins of Nova 100% cotton yarn. It's very soft. It's shiny. I don't know if you could see the shine that well. The kit is the MaryMaxim Crochet subscription kit. The color of the yarn is 4865. Has 132 yards. It is very soft cotton, and it doesn't look like it'll fall apart like some of them out there. This cotton looks like it's going to hold together pretty well. And when you get the kit, it comes with a full set of instructions. It does not come with your crochet hooks. It does come with a little case that you could put it in, which I took it out of so that you didn't hear the crinkling. This is a reversible crossbody bag from MaryMaxim's Crochet Subscription Club. It's $16.99 a month plus $4.99 shipping. Your first month you get for $9.99 and $4.95 shipping. That is the USA. Canada rates will vary, and around the world I'm not sure what they would be either. The links for Canada and the United States are down in the description below. I would appreciate it if you could go through that link if you're interested in anything in MaryMaxim, because that does help me, and by helping me, you're helping the channel grow and be able to have giveaways and share some more of these items. These directions do come with photo assistance, which is nice because sometimes the directions are not as clear as one would hope. And it comes even with, so you can see how long it is, and this is in inches. And this shows you over here the reversible. This is one way, and this is the other way of the little reversible clutch. And I know I could see this done with beading on the blue section here and some glittery yarn, and you can use it for an evening crossbody when you go on clubbing or something. And you can use the black shiny yarn with the teeny tiny bits of glitter, not the big hunk of glitter. Well, it's personal choice, but it is very lovely. I will be doing this one. Look at those stitches, because I do like to learn new stitches, and I do like to try to do their monthly kit. I use it as a personal challenge to myself. And this kit will explain over here what's in the kit, which we've discussed. You just have to provide your size D hook or equivalent to meet their gauge. I don't gauge my stuff. I just don't. I never learned how, and I'm not going to start now. I'm too old. Let's see, it has information on the blue layer, the gray layer, the stitch guide, excuse me. One thing about the MaryMaxim kits, they always come with the stitch guides, so that if you get lost, they're right here. Some of the MaryMaxim kits will have tutorials online as well, so I would give that a look. But when you belong to the clubs, because they have this club, they have a knitting club, they have a crochet Afghan throw club quarterly. I have that one as well. I'm waiting for that one to arrive. But I wanted to share the MaryMaxim monthly kit for March. We're going to call it for April because we're going to show it in April. We're going to do it together. Well, I'm going to do it in April. And if you get the kit, we could do it together in April and see how we like our kits come out. Thank you for stopping by Yarn Again. If you could leave a thumbs up, it would help my channel, and I'd appreciate it. And like and subscribe. Have a great day.